Hello everyone. Please don't go. Please don't go. 5 seconds is all I need. I am Masood from the Gaza Strip. You are my only hope for restoring life here, where we lost our home, no food and no water and no medicine. I am very tired of what is happening to us. There is only you left to help me. I trust you. My friends, please share this video with everyone so that I can find someone to help me. Repost this video, comment and like so that the video reaches everyone. Please help me and donate to save my family via the link in my bio and evacuate to Egypt. Link in bio. Thank you so much. Goodbye.